Yeah, I think you don't, you can never underestimate what a player does for an opposition. I remember, when we were with the All Blacks, Ma Nonu had a similar effect on the opposition. They're like, how are we going to mark him? We've got to be mindful of him. It might take two of us to tackle him, So I think Josh has that effect. People aren't just going to let him run free, are they? So I think it's great to have players like that in your side that demand a bit of attention from the opposition. It puts pressure on them as well because they've got to turn up every week and get a little bit of extra heat brought on. But a guy like Joshua, he doesn't seem to faze him. I'm pretty sure that deep down we all get phased at certain times, but it doesn't seem to faze him, and he's been great for us and part of our leadership group, and just he's a leader by quiet. He's a quiet leader, he's a doer, and it's great to be working with him.